ARIO-C-DN coupler is used. Modules configured as shown above. EDS files can be downloaded from Autonics website. XGT PLC is used as above. XGL-DMEB is equipped in base number 1 slot. XG5000 version 4.61 is used. Connect bus power 20 for VDC. Connect I/O power 20 for VDC. Connect the communication cable. Supply the power to the product. Run XG5000. Click Project, New Project. Check the CPU type and click OK. Click Online Connection Settings. Set the PLC connection method and click Connect. Change PLC status to stop status. Click Online System Diagnostics, I/O Information, and execute I/O Sync. Click Tools and Configuration. Select Device Net and click OK. Click File, Add EDS. Add the EDS file downloaded from the website. Click Communication Setting. Enter the slot number of XGL-DMEB and click OK. Click Communication, Upload Image. Check the baud rate in bus parameter. Set data rate of ARIO-C-DN to be the same. Click Diagnostics, Auto Network Scan. When scanning is complete, the ARIO-MS LED turns green. If the ARIO-C-DN product connection is normal, it will be displayed as above. Input-output data size can be checked in Slave I/O data settings. Click Communication, Download Image. When the download is complete, the system LED turns green. Right-click on Undefined Network, XGL-DMEB. Click Add Item, High-Speed Link Communication. Click High-Speed Link 01. Communication Module Setting and Diagnosis. Config, Upload. Set Read Area as D0 and set Save Area as D100. Enter the N command. Click Online Write. Verify sets with link enable with parameters, and click OK. Click Online, Connect. Click Run. Click Monitor, Device Monitor. ARIO-C-DN Input Test.